This is how to turn off online status on Facebook Messenger app. What this means that if you're online and you don't want other people that are online on Messenger to find out, take these steps to turn that off. First is to tap on your Messenger application. As the Messenger application opens, tap on the menu, which is the three lines at the bottom right. On tapping on menu, tap on Settings. On this settings page, you will see active status. Tap on it. On this page, you will see that show when you are active is on. Please, I want to turn that off so that when I'm active on Messenger, nobody knows. So tap on that button. On tapping on that button, you see turn off active status. Tap on turn off. Then you can go back and you are good. So with this, you maintain certain level of privacy when you're using the Messenger application. If this content helps, consider subscribing to this channel. Hit the like button and leave a comment in the comment section.